Ebyenyanja by'okiibwe bibiri nibitamburizibwa omu motoka y'ekika kya super custom registration number eby'enyanja hamwe n'eya ipsam registration number UAQ 516Q.
This is what you are seeing here. It is measuring 11 inches. But the mature one, which is acceptable on the Ugandan market, is 20 inches that comes up to here. So you can imagine, it's almost halfway of what is recommended.
Abari kujinanwa enshonga z'ebyenyanja habwa town council ya Katwe Kabatoro hamwe na Mpondwe nibagira ngu ebyenyanja ebirikukyera kujubwa nibiba bikiri bito kandi bitakashikira omutindo gw'okuza omu katare.
All along, it has been a cry that the fishing communities get the rightful sizes of the fish that is traded in Uganda, and the habit is not stopping.
Lieutenant Ben Ndufura ori omugambirizi w'ekitongore kya Fish Protection Unity nagira ngu hiine emotoka ezindi ezakwasirwe ezirikutambuza ebyenyanja ebi.
There is a fuso which was impounded last night, which is a fuso fighter UBD 447/H. It carries immature Nile perch and tilapia. And the sector commander, in fact, arrested this vehicle. Reason, they don't have no trade license, they don't have movement permit, and even the vehicle has no license to transport fish.
Lieutenant Ndufura nagira ngu abashubuzi kuba barabe batetantire okuguza ebyenyanja bitakashikire nibija kuguma nibaferwa sente zabo.
And you can see these vehicles, they have been parked here for some good time because we have to go process by process until the court directs us on what to do.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi omuri Kasese.